stone back in. Got the pole supported because they're digging right next to it. They got a camper going over here. They just finished up to his driveway. Turn that off. Looks like they pulled out this big ass rock that was buried next to the telephone pole. They got the telephone pole supported because they're digging pretty close to it. Water and sanitary sewer come out. So these are all the fittings they use to put into the new main. They're going to abandon the old main, which is more closer to the curb. All right, here's my driveway. They worked on it today. They started all the way down there where that one is located. They did the neighbor's driveway. Did this. I think this stake here in this manhole cover indicate where the drain tile is. I do have drain tile out there, but maybe it went this way. So that's gotta get reconnected. Interesting that they didn't take all of that apron, just this section here. So I don't exactly know what that pink mark means because I don't have anything that I know of right there. Yeah, I don't know what the pink marks mean. I don't know what that stake means. Is that where probably where like the water, I guess, is water sewer? That's probably gas. That's probably gas. This pink one, it says, I don't know how to read it. C7-11-7. But that's where the one drain tile from right there comes. This one is where this cap was. Let's do it this way. Yeah, so this one actually went over that way, but they're going to reconnect this one. This one needs to get reconnected. That's where the pink is. There's no pink here though. And let's have a look in the hole. 8 foot down is the sanitary sewer. Pretty neat. I see what they put the steel plate down so people can get into the driveways when they have to leave it open. Awesome. So here's material for Henry's sewer. Interesting. Oh yeah, look at the clay, huh? That's way down. Looks like they got manhole things to put in here. So I think this is 4-inch. I don't know what LD means, but maybe like 4-inch lateral drain, perhaps.